If you are over 60 and you do this every single morning, you need to stop right now. Doctors warn this one habit can triple your risk of stroke. Millions of seniors do it daily, believing it is healthy. What I'm about to tell you could save your life, so listen carefully. Most strokes don't happen at night. They happen in the morning, and there's a reason no one talks about. Stroke doesn't arrive suddenly. It builds quietly, day after day, inside your blood vessels. Every morning, a simple habit slowly damages your arteries, thickens your blood, and stresses your brain. And no, the danger is not sugar, it's not salt, and it's not skipping breakfast. The real danger is something you've been doing for decades without questioning it. After 7 to 8 hours of sleep, your body wakes up dehydrated. Your blood is thicker. Your circulation is slower.
This blend
Most
is
people
exquisite
wake up
today.
and drink only
Yes, it
tea
truly
or
warms
coffee.
the soul.
Some eat processed breakfast foods. Many take medications without proper hydration. This creates the perfect environment for blood clots, especially after the age of 60. As you age, your blood vessels naturally narrow. Your arteries lose flexibility. Blood pressure increases. When thick blood tries to move through narrow arteries, flow slows down.
As you can see on the
That's when
holographic
clots
display,
form.
the left
That's
ventricle
when
is
the brain
functioning
becomes
perfectly.
starved of
We will
oxygen.
continue to monitor this
This is why
closely, but
doctors
everything looks very
confirm
healthy.
most strokes happen in the early morning hours. Myth number 1, tea or coffee hydrates the body. The truth is, caffeine actually pulls water out of your system. Myth number 2, eating light means you're safe. The truth is, white bread and sugary cereals spike blood sugar and inflammation. Myth number 3, I've done this my whole life. The
And
truth
then the
is,
little
your
monkey
body at
stole
60
the
is not
biggest
the
mango
same
in the
body you
basket.
had at 30. What
He
once
didn't
felt
even share
harmless
it with his
can
brother.
now become dangerous. The good news is this: you can reduce your stroke risk starting tomorrow morning. First, hydrate your body as soon
beautiful
as you
day
wake
for a
up.
walk, isn't it?
Even a simple
The
glass
flowers
of
are
warm
lovely.
water
Yes,
can
dear.
improve blood
It
flow.
reminds me of our
Second,
first picnic
choose
here.
a breakfast that supports healthy blood circulation. Focus on real, natural foods. Third, move your body gently. Just 5 minutes of walking or stretching tells your blood to flow, not clot. You don't need fear. You don't need expensive treatments. You need awareness. One small morning change can protect your brain, your independence, and your future. If you know someone over 60, share this message with them. It could save their life. This content is for educational purposes only. Always consult your healthcare provider before making health-related changes.